What's going on, guys? Mikey Messina here with Mikey Daily Carry, and today I got a care package that I'm going to be unboxing with y'all from the good folks over at All American Maker. Now, if you don't know who All American Maker is, let me just give you guys a real quick gist of what they're all about. So All American Maker believes in building a stronger America. America first, that's what I'm talking about. They make awesome EDC gear and 100% sourced from American farms and manufacturers. They keep their products fully domestic so that way they are investing in our nation's future. I'm going to read their mission statement because I absolutely love it. It's to help grow America by supporting the hands that make it great. When you choose All American Maker, you're fueling a cycle of growth that empowers local farmers, manufacturers, and small businesses across the country. Every dollar spent stays right here, strengthening our communities and our economy. And because we believe in giving back, 10% of every sale goes directly to supporting disaster relief efforts in the United States through Samaritan's Purse. Together, we can make a real impact at home, and for people who make America strong. All American Maker, building and growing America one product at a time. Come on. That is freaking awesome. So let's open up this care package here that we got from All American Maker and see what is inside. I am an affiliate for All American Maker. Just a disclaimer there. Again, this was sent to me. I'll make sure I link all of these products in the description of this video. So I got this nice card here. It says, "Yo, Mikey, hope you're doing well and life is good. Can't wait to see what kind of content you create. Merry Christmas, Brendan." Brendan, you are awesome, man. I appreciate you for sending this out. Cool knife nut sticker right there. So what do we have here? We got this nice old box. Ooh, okay. We got a solid cologne, which is tobacco and bourbon. Tobacco and bourbon. Let me open this up. Let me see what this smells like. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I like that. This is also another solid cologne. And this is oak moss and amber. Okay. Oh, I like that. I like that. Oak moss and amber, guys. Okay. This is another solid cologne. And this is alpine, juniper, and cypress. Ooh, yep. Smells good. You got me with a smell goods, I'm telling you. And then we also got another one in sandalwood and bourbon. For you folks out there that like that. Smell this. I like sandalwood. Oh, yeah, that's a good one. That is a good one. So that is the cologne. They have that right there. They also have, what? A Nalgene bottle. I had their titanium one. I'm so sad my titanium one, unfortunately, was put in the dishwasher. You don't want to do that with these bottles, guys. But it was put in there. It wasn't me, but it was washed and it melted. It melted. But now I got it, and this is the blue. They also have it in titanium. This is a collaboration between All American Maker and the homie Brandon over at Everyday Minimalist. I'm going to wash this, put this to use. Okay. We also got some books. Oh, gosh. I'm going to start working out as well. And what do you know? It's like they're in my head or something. They got me a daily workout logbook. Look at that. That's sweet. In here, gives your date, the time, strength training, what sets you did, weight, reps, set 2, set 3. I mean, you can go on and on with this thing. With how many sets you can do. Seriously? I love it. I love it. Unboxing American-made on YouTube. Ha ha! They do unboxings as well. All American Maker. So check out their YouTube. They also got me this knife logbook. I actually used this when I went to Blade Show. So knife nut, knife log book. And I used this at Blade Show when I went to buy some knives. I didn't really buy that much knives, but I did use it. It goes over the maker, the company, the knife name, date of purchase, the price you paid, design style, blade steel, handle material, overall length, blade length, date of sale, price sold for, and then notes. All right there. If you want to educate yourself on knives, this is a good way to do that. So you don't even necessarily need to fill this out when you buy a new knife. You can look back at your arsenal of knives and just start writing down all the components, so that way you get that much more in tune with the knife culture, understanding steels, everything of that nature and whatnot. So what is this? Oh, it's a multi-use candle. Stops boredom, drives out moisture, cleans your senses, loosens rusty days, frees sticky memories. What? Okay, so I gotta pry this one open. It's made with American soy wax, essential oils, and cotton wick. Simple ingredients, y'all. Simple ingredients. Here, look, I got my Big Eye Design pry bar. I don't know if it's this. It's funny because like this looks like a WD-40 logo. I was like, oh crap, in wax form? All right. Ooh. I like that. I'm gonna light that in the office. Can I have a candle in? Who knows? But I'm gonna light that in the office. You know what I'm saying? And then there's another one here. There it is. Espresso. That's what it is. I knew it. You can already smell it outside of the tin. This thing smells good. Okay. Ooh, that's a strong espresso too. Makes you want to drink it. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. They got the eagle right there too, right in the front. Go Birds. I love it. It says stay sharp. And then we got another box in here. Wow. We got some cutting board conditioner. Okay. We also have some leather balm. Heck yeah. I've been looking for some leather balm, like for my dress shoes. And I got a double admin pouch from Nutsack that is just dried up, scratched up, everything. I'm going to be using that. We got a cast iron seasoning for all y'all cooking that steak with cast iron. And then we got that blade wax, you know, because you got to keep that knife rejuvenated. And now you got your wax. Wow. What a care package. Thank you so much to All American Maker. I'll make sure I link all of this in the description down below. A lot of great stuff. All American made. America first. That's what I'm talking about. Fire down in the comments below what things here stand out to you and maybe you want to add to your collection. I really would love to know. My name is Mikey Messina. This is Mikey Daily Carry. I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Ooh, I could